TCL presented the world's first triple folding phone at SID 2024. The prototype, initially shown in 2019, has now become a fully functional device. When unfolded, the phone features a 7.85-inch display, combining the functions of a smartphone and a tablet. The main innovation is the EA-free Type A display technology, allowing the phone to fold in GZ and AGZ shapes. Thanks to a new panel that is only 427 microns thick, the device is thin and easy to handle. The phone also includes 3D facial scanning with under-display sensors and a pixel density of 420 ppi, ensuring excellent image quality. The display utilizes LTPO technology, which allows the refresh rate to dynamically adjust from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, optimizing battery life and providing smooth visuals. Details on mass production and release dates are still unknown. TCL's triple folding phone marks a significant milestone in mobile technology development, and competitors like Huawei and Samsung are reportedly working on similar models.